My pasta, something came into my mind that I've always been a person that I enjoyed watching YouTube videos about cooking to relax myself and to find peace and forget about whatever happened in the day, especially when I was troubled. And of course, one of my biggest passions is food. It's actually eating, and my belly can prove it. And what I realized as well is that whenever I was having a problem that I needed to solve, either as a software developer or and I had to create a controller or solve a function or reverse engineer something, or now that I have to do with funnels, with ads campaigns, with a website, or with how to help a client make more money, I think in terms of cooking, in terms of recipes, what are the ingredients I have? What am I missing? What are the steps that I have to follow? And how I execute the recipe in order to achieve the result that I want. And this is not the way that everybody should do it, but since I'm thinking in cooking and in recipes and in eating, this works for me and helps me get clarity in my problems and helps me a lot to get a different perspective on any given problem. And I wanted to share it with you because I don't know what your passion is and how you use it to solve problems maybe, but me, I'm helping myself with cooking and thinking about recipes, solving any problem. Now my problem is that I'm hungry, and this pasta bolognese will actually solve this problem. So, with that being said, I will see you tomorrow.